Welcome to this stunningly updated 4-bedroom, 4.5-bath townhouse in the heart of Gardenside Village, Lebanon, Virginia. If you're searching for the perfect blend of luxury, comfort, and convenience, this is the one. Step inside to an open floor plan that seamlessly connects the kitchen, breakfast area, and living space, ideal for both everyday living and entertaining. The main level also features a bedroom with an unsuited bath and a spacious walk-in closet. Upstairs, discover an expansive primary suite, complete with a spa-like ensuite, featuring a walk-in tiled shower, freestanding tub, and dual vanities. Down the hall, find a third bedroom with an ensuite and a laundry area. Head downstairs to a large den, perfect for game nights or movie marathons, plus a fourth bedroom with ensuite for added privacy. Enjoy 3 outdoor entertainment spaces, a back deck, cozy patio, and charming side porch. This home is fully updated with fresh paint, new floors, a new kitchen, and modern bathrooms. With parking for up to 7 vehicles, 2 garage spaces, and low HOA fees, it's move-in ready. Located in one of Lebanon's most charming neighborhoods, you're minutes away from downtown shopping and restaurants. Schedule your showing today